Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Wii to the internet. Since Nintendo's official online services for the Wii console have been discontinued, the only way to get your console online is through dedicated fan-made servers. These community projects, primarily Connect 24 and wifi, allow you to access online multiplayer for many games and even bring back channels like the Forecast channel and WiiMail. This process involves installing custom software on your Wii. Before we begin, gather a few essential items. First, you will need a functional Wii console. Ensure it can read an SD card, as this is crucial for transferring files. Next, acquire an SD card. A 2GB card or larger is generally recommended. You will also need a computer with an active internet connection to download the necessary patching software. Finally, your Wii itself will need a stable internet connection, ideally a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. The core of this process involves installing the Homebrew channel on your Wii, typically through a software exploit. Once Homebrew is set up, you will use a computer to run a specific patcher program, such as the Connect 24 patcher. This tool prepares the necessary files, including WADs, which are then copied onto your SD card. Finally, insert the SD card into your Wii, launch the Homebrew channel, and use a WAD Manager application to install these patched files onto your console. With the custom services installed, a world of online possibilities reopens for your Wii. You can now play many of your favorite Wii games online, like Mario Kart Wii, through the wifi service, connecting with players worldwide. Additionally, Connect 24 restores beloved Wii Connect 24 channels, such as the news and forecast channels, and even allows you to send and receive WiiMail. It is a fantastic way to experience the console's online features once more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.